I've had is, can my quad with tracks drive over the snow hill? And then I was thinking, well, would it be possible to take a quad with tracks, jump the snow hill over the RV? So obviously I'm not going to be able to do a jump with the snowplow on, so I'm going to take that off real quick and show you how to do it. Okay, so this is pretty basic. First thing you're going to do is you're going to unhook the winch cable. Tuck that up there, you won't need it. The second part is you have this tightener, so if you have it in the up position, it unlocks it. And if you have it in the down position, it locks it in on the frame. We're going to put it in the unlocked position, which is up. So at this point, you have the frame that latches into the quad frame here on both sides. So it's as simple now as lifting on this and pulling that unlocked piece off the quad frame. Okay, so now with the red pin in the up position, the winch line off, we're just going to give it a quick tug and the plow should fall right off. There we go. Plow's off, we can move it out of the way. So now what we're left with is a 4-track machine. Plow's off, we're ready to go. So now the question is, can this machine jump from the snow pile over the camper and land safely on the other side? This hill was not supposed to be a jump. It was just a place where I was piling snow and basically had nothing to do with it. So now this is the view that I would attack it from and try to do. Okay, let's give this a shot. So this would be the steepest part here. I'm thinking that I would kind of ramp this off and then launch. And I've got a little bit of a runway here that I can come up, get good speed, and then hit it.